9 Best VPN Apps for Privacy. Yo, what's up guys? Ever tried to watch a video or access a website and boom, blocked? Or maybe you just wanna try to save on public Wi-Fi? Well, today I got you covered with the best VPN apps that will keep your connection private, your data secure, and your internet freedom unlimited. Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick it off with the king, ExpressVPN. With a rating of 4.4 and over 15 million downloads. This one's known for its super fast servers, military-grade encryptions, and it works amazingly well for streaming Netflix, Hulu, and even gaming. It's premium service, but honestly, you get what you pay for. Speed, security, and rock-solid reliability. Oof, that's hard to beat. Up next is NordVPN, another heavy hitter in the VPN games, with a rating of 4.6 and over 15 million downloads. This one packs serious features, double encryptions, a kill switch, and even threat protections to block tracker and malware. Plus, with over 5,000 servers worldwide, your connection stays fast and stable wherever you are. It's total beast. If you are into open source and privacy-focused tech, then Proton VPN is your jam. With a rating of 4.6 and over 10 million downloads. This VPN is made by the team behind ProtonMail and has no logs, strong encryptions, and even a free plan with unlimited data. Perfect for anyone who cares deeply about digital privacy. Wanna keep it simple and 100% free? Check out Super Unlimited VPN with a rating of 4.7 and over 100 million downloads. This app is no sign up, no hassle, just hit connect and you are protected. It's perfect for quick use like accessing blocked website or securing your phone in public Wi-Fi zone. Next, TurboVPN is one of the most downloaded VPNs on the Play Store, and for good reason. With a rating of 4.7 and over 100 million downloads. It's super easy to use, fast, and comes with a bunch of free servers. Great for streaming, browsing, and even online gaming if you are on a budget. Now this one's interesting. Siphon isn't just a VPN, it's also a censorship busting tool. With a rating of 4.4 and over 100 million downloads. It uses VPN, SSH, and HTTP proxy tech to get you around block even in the most restricted networks. If you are in a country with a heavy internet censorship, this is a game changer. VPN Proxy Master is sleek, fast, and focused on user-friendly design. With a rating of 4.8 and over 100 million downloads. You get unlimited bandwidth and one-tap access to a worldwide server, great for streaming and staying anonymous online. Plus, it works great even on older Android phones. Here's a VPN that lets you go wild with devices. Surfshark allows unlimited connections with a rating of 4.5 and over 10 million downloads. It is fast, secure, and even has built-in ad blocker and multi-hop features for double encryptions. Great for family or people with a million gadgets. Ever heard of Cloudflare? Their app 1.111 plus Warp isn't your typical VPN, but it boosts speed and encrypts your traffic without slowing you down. With a rating of 4.2 and over 100 million downloads. It's perfect if you want better privacy without sacrificing speed. Super clean, super simple. So there you have it, 9 of the best VPN apps out there. Whether you need something for privacy, streaming, or just browsing safely, there is definitely something here for you. And let me know your favorite VPN apps in the comments below. Stay safe out there and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.